Hello guys, it's Adrian from adoriani.com. Today I'm going to share one technique that you can use in your mixes to make the kick to stand up. If you're working in the mixing audio industry, you may want the kick track to stand up in the mix, especially in EDM music. The easiest technique that you can use in order to achieve this is to use the sidechain compression. And I'm not talking here about the pumping effect, but only about slightly using the sidechain compression to make more room for the kick to stand out. So we have the kick track here, and we're going to send it to an auxiliary track. From the output of the kick track, select New Track, Stereo, Aux Input, and name this Kick Aux or whatever you want to name it in order to identify it easily. Create. Now this is the bus named Kick Aux that we'll need to use when setting the compressor for the sidechain job. Now we want to apply the sidechain compressor over the rest of the elements in the mix, or almost all. So the idea is that whenever the kick hits, all the other elements go down a bit in volume, leaving space for the kick track. So let's see. We have our compressor on the bass track. Let's select the kick bass, then engage this key button here. Let's start playing with this setting. Okay, that's a good effect, but I don't want to feel the pumping effect in the mix. So I want to have just a little compression, an almost unnoticeable amount. And I'm going to repeat this process over the other tracks in the mix and see if I like this. A quicker way is to copy the compressor plugin with these settings over other tracks. Then watch one by one to not compress more than 1 dB. Now let's bypass the compressor to see if there is a real difference. You should hear that with the compressor engaged, the kick stands out and is not affected so much by the other tracks in the mix. If you have a vocal track in the mix, you may want to avoid sidechain compression on vocals. But try it and experiment with it. You may be liking the effect. One more thing to say, if you want, you can apply more compression. If it is good for the mix and you like it, use it. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you do, subscribe for more and give us a thumbs up. Say hi to us at adoriani.com and visit our Facebook page. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.